bit about my truck. It's a 1984 GMC. It's got a 496 10.5 to 1 compression pump gas. Got fender well exit headers. You have to U-joint the steering rod to make them work. It runs 690s in the 8th. All I do is bracket race with it. It's got a 10-point roll cage. Scat Pro Car seats. Got 2 of those. Got a fuel cell, 12-gallon fuel cell. It actually has a 1966 or 65, I'm not sure which one, Impala 12 bolt. It's got homemade traction bars that I built, if you can see it. Centerline wheels. They was kind of hard to find for the truck pattern. Got a, oh yeah, the rear end has 35 spline, Moser axles, full spool. Got a turbo 400 transmission. All I do is foot brake, so it ain't got no trans brake. The mufflers come out in front of the, no mufflers, but that's about it. Pretty simple. Gets the job done. I'll crank it for y'all.